How to make a normal video look clearer in like 4K or 8K. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a normal video look clearer in like 4K or 8K. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. Before editing, this is how my video actually look like. You can see that it is of low quality. It's like there is no much color, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how to make this normal video to be of high quality. The first thing we want to do is to set the video quality. Tap on the video, then look for video quality. Here is it. Tap on it. Now you can see there are different options you can choose from, but choose this one that says HD. The next thing you want to do is to adjust sharpness. Go to adjust, then sharpen. Here is it. Set it around 50 something. Then click on this check mark here. The next thing you want to do is to apply 8K or 4K filters. So go to filters. Here is it. Filters again. Now let's search for 8K because we can't find it here. Click on this search bar. Now type 8K. I tried to type 4K but I couldn't find it on my phone. If you find it in your CapCut, just select it. But for me, I only see 8K, so I will select it. Now reduce it to somewhere around 14. Next, apply the lens effect. Go to effects, then video effects. Look for lens. Here is it. Select sharpen edge. Click on adjust. Set blur to 0. Sharpen, set it to somewhere 14 or 13. Filter, reduce it to 0. Then click on this check mark here. Do the same thing again. Now let's extend this to the very beginning and here to the end. Now that we have added lens effect to it, so what we want to do is to boost the color. To do that, come to adjust, then go to saturation. Let's increase the saturation to somewhere 10 or 14. Then click on the check mark. Finally, let's export the video. Increase the resolution to 4K. That is if your phone supports it. Increase the frame rate to 60. Then to highest. So when you're okay with this, click on export.
Smile. Good. Smile.
So that is it for today's video. But before I let you go, I want to let you know that many people are wondering if it is actually safe to use CapCut to edit their video. Click on this video next on your screen to learn more about this.